Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. Today from mathematics subject, elements of geometry topic we are going to discuss. So in this video children, we are going to solve some previous Olympiad problems based on this chapter. Let's see level 1 practice sheet. First question, the angle which is 2 times its complement is dash. Actually, two angles are said to be complement if their sum is equal to 90 degrees. So they have given in the question that one angle is 2 times of its complement. If x plus y is 90 degrees, they are complement to each other. But they are telling one angle, suppose y, one angle, let y be 2 times of its complement, x. We can take 2x because y is 2 times of its complement means 2x equal to 90 degrees. X plus 2x, 3x equal to 90 degrees. X equal to 90 by 3, that equal to 30 degrees. We have got 30 degrees. But they are asking the angle which is 2 times of its complement. Means they are asking about y. So y value equal to 2x, that equal to 2 into 30, that equal to 60 degrees. So 60 degrees is the correct answer. Next, a wheel has 6 spokes equally spaced. Then the measure of angle between the two adjacent spokes is how much? Total angle in the circle, in the wheel, is 360 degrees. It is divided into 6 parts with 6 spokes. Let's divide by 6. Then the space between the angle between two adjacent spokes will be 60 degrees. So C option is the correct answer. The number of dimensions a solid has. Actually, solids are three-dimensional shapes. Solids are three-dimensional shapes. Three-dimensional shapes having length, breadth, height. So solids are called 3D shapes. So they will be having 3 dimensions. So answer 3. The number of dimensions a surface has. Surface means like a rectangle. Rectangle is just a surface, not a solid. Rectangle will have length and breadth. So all the surfaces will have are considered as 2D shapes because they will be having 2 dimensions. So answer 2. So number of dimensions a point has. Point means it's a whose magnitude is 0. It is just a tiny dot which don't have any length, breadth, height. So it will be having 0 dimensions. It will be having 0 dimensions. So Euclid divided his famous treatise, The Elements, into 13 chapters. He divided his treatise Elements into 13 chapters. The total number of propositions or theorems in the elements are altogether 465 propositions he proposed. 465. The word geometry comes from Greek word zeo and metrion, which means zeo means earth, metrion means to measure. So answer B option, earth and to measure. The first known proof the circle is bisected by its diameter. Circle, if we draw diameter, it is bisected into 2 equal parts. This proof was first given by Thales. Until then, the geometry was in unsystematic manner. So Thales started giving proofs for theorems, and this is the first proof. The circle is bisected by its diameter given by Thales. So a point is defined as, actually it's a undefined term represented by a dot. It just says the location of anything. it don't have any particular definition. It may be having no length, no breadth, no height, but that is not the definition of point. So it's an undefined term represented by a dot. So what is the difference between postulate and axiom? So we have told already. Postulate means universal truth. Universal truths are assumptions particularly related to geometry. So postulates are the assumptions used especially for geometry, whereas axioms are the assumptions used throughout mathematics. So C option is correct. So 12th, for every line L, for every line L, for every line L and a point P, and a point P not lying an L, the number of lines that pass through P and parallel to LR, pass through P and parallel to LR, one and only one, one and only one. So Greeks emphasized on, means they gave more importance to practical use of geometry. Practical use of geometry. So which of the following needs a proof? So axiom, postulate means they are just assumptions. No need of any proof for them. So answer, theorem. Theorem is the term which needs a proof. So if the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3, then the smallest angle is. So let the angles be 1x, 2x and 3x. Then the sum of all angles will be 180 degrees in a triangle. So 1x, 2x, 3x, 6x equal to 180 degrees, x equal to 180 degrees by 6, which is equal to 30 degrees. So they are asking smallest angle. Smallest angle means 1x, which is equal to 30 degrees. So axioms are assumed universal truths in all branches of mathematics. Yes, true. D option, universal truths specific to geometry, they are called postulates. They are called postulates. Axioms means all branches of mathematics. So lines are parallel if they do not intersect. Lines are parallel if they do not intersect. So it's a definition which was already proved, by mathematicians. It's just a definition for parallel line. It is known that if x plus y equals to 10, then x plus y plus z equals to 10 plus z. We know that they have given x plus y equal to 10. Suppose we have z equals to z. If we add these, then x plus y plus z equals to right hand side 10 plus z. So it is in which form? If equals are added to equals, then they will be equal. Then the wholes will be equal. If equals are added to equals, then the wholes will be equal. So this has been given in Euclid's second axiom. Euclid's second axiom. It has been given in Euclid's second axiom. Things which are double of the same things are equal to one another. Things which are double of the same thing are equal to one another. This was given in Euclid's sixth axiom. Euclid's total 7 axioms are there. Out of that 7, this is the sixth axiom. So number of postulates given by Euclid are, Euclid has given 5 postulates. 5 postulates. So a conjecture that is proved to be true are called a theorem. So which needs a proof, that is called as a theorem, or explanation that is proved to be true is called as a theorem. So number of propositions deducted by Euclid are 465. 465. All right angles are equal to one another. All right angles are equal to one another. So it is given by Euclid's which postulate? So you are having 5 postulates, no children? So try to find this answer, go through the postulates and try to find the answer. All right angles are equal to one another. See, it's a very easy question, but if you by heart the axioms and postulates and their numbers, then only you can answer this question. Otherwise, though you are having the knowledge, if you won't by heart the concept, you cannot answer this question. Okay, children? Refer the previous video and try to answer this question. Next, there exists a pair of lines everywhere equidistant from one another. There exists a pair of lines everywhere equidistant from one another. So means indirectly they are telling about parallel lines. There exists a pair of lines. These two lines, L and M lines, are considered as a pair of lines everywhere. Here, equidistant. Here, equidistant, 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 equidistant. Means indirectly they are telling about parallel lines, which was an extension of Euclid's fifth postulate, or extension of John Playfair axiom, because based on Euclid's fifth postulate, John Playfair axiom is there, which is the modified version of fifth postulate. Based on that, they have given this statement. So is a John Playfair axiom. Means John Playfair's assumption, which needs no proof. So two distinct points in a plane determine dashed lines. Two distinct points in a plane. If you have two distinct points in a plane, through them we can draw only one line, a unique line. We can draw a unique line. So if a point C lies between 2 points A and B, if a point C lies between 2 points A and B such that AC equals to BC, then AC value equals to how much of AB? Half AB. Half AB is the correct answer. So Playfair's axiom, John Playfair's axiom, is an equivalent version of Euclid's fifth postulate. Euclid's fifth postulate. So in triangle ABC, if angle B 75, angle C is 32, then angle A how much? Sum of three angles. So one is 75, one is 32, another one let it be X. So X plus 75 plus 32 equals to 180 degrees. Then X equal to 180 degrees minus 75 plus 32, 107. So 180 minus 107, how much? 73 degrees. So 73 degrees is the correct answer. So in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, ABC, AB equals to AC. Two sides are equal. So this side opposite angle, this side opposite angles also equal. Equal sides opposite angles also equal. And angle ACB. CB. Means in the middle we have C. So C value 40 degrees. Then what about angle A? If this is 40, this one also will be 40 because these two are equal. 40 plus 40, 80. Then what about this one? This one will be 100. So option C. Angle A value will be 100. So the sum of angle at the base of a triangle is 150 degrees and their difference is 20 degrees. Then what is the greatest angle? Sum of the angles at the base. This is the base of a triangle. Suppose the triangle name is ABC, then BC is base. Angles near the base. Angles near the base, let it be X and Y. The sum of angles near the base is 150 degrees. Difference X minus Y equal to 20 degrees. So then greatest angle how much? If we add 2x, y by cancel equal to 170 degrees. So x equal to 85 degrees. If x 85, x minus y 20, 85 minus dash equal to 20, 85 minus how much? Or 85 plus dash equal to 150, 85 plus 65. So then y equal to 65. But they are asking greatest angle. So 85 is the greatest angle. So in triangle ABC, if angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C, then angle C how much? Three angles are equal. Then it will be equilateral triangle. Each angle 60. So sum of three angles 180 degrees. So angle C how much? 60 degrees. So actually children, these questions after completion of next chapter we can discuss. After completion of this lines and angles chapter, so there we can discuss these questions. 32, this 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 40. Okay, children. Actually, these some questions are related to lines and angles, children. So whatever remaining questions are there. So after completion of lines and angles topic, so from where this all level 2 questions from 32 to 44, this all pending questions we will discuss after lines and angles chapter. Okay, children. So thank you for watching our video, children. So please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. Thank you, children. Have a good day.